How to switch to creator account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can switch to a creator account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to switch to a creator account on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application here. Then just come to the profile tab from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then you want to tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side and then just go to this option called settings. Once you're under settings, here you'll find the option called account. Just go to account and scroll down. You'll find the option called switch to professional account. Tap on switch to professional account, tap on continue, and then once you tap on the continue option, it will ask you to simply select what you are, and then you can just tap the done button. And now after this, you can see it will ask me to successfully select whether I'm a creator or business. So if you would like to create a creator account, just select the creator or a business account. I'll just select creator for this video and tap on next, and then my creator account will be successfully created. So this way I can go ahead and basically switch to creator account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.